Hello, welcome back to the Syllable platform. Today we're showcasing our new DTMF feature. The DTMF tool lets agents send precise tones to any phone tree with ease. Combined with our voices, your agents will be able to navigate the most complex IVR labyrinths. Let me show you how to set it up. First, we're going to create a message. So head over to Messages and name it, of course. I'll name it DTMF Navigator. But we actually don't want the agent to start talking, so we'll just put a paragraph quote here and save that. We're pretty much entering a blank message, so the agent won't say anything right away when the IVR answers, because we know that the IVR is going to start talking immediately. Now head over to Prompts and create a new prompt. I'll name this DTMF Navigator as well. Fill out the usual spiel, and you'll be adding two tools. First one being the DTMF tool, and the second one being the classic hang-up tool. The prompt instruction is going to be very straightforward. I'm going to say you're an outbound caller who is trying to reset your password. To do that, you need to navigate the IT department's phone tree. Do not give up easily. Use DTMF tool to enter numbers and navigate the phone tree. Do not hang up until you've reached the password reset line. Okay, save that. Now let's make an agent. DTMF Navigator is the name, of course. Select the newly created prompt and message, choose your time zone, and hit save. I'll start a session for a quick little test. I'll say press 1 to end the call, or press 2 to reset your password. Okay, you can see the DTMF tool was used, so we're good to go on that front. And now let's add a voice channel. Create a new channel and fill out the required fields. And then for a fallback number, this is going to be blurred because I'm using a personal one. And then select your agent, of course, and press save. Now we'll create a campaign, aka your agent's outbound ability. Once again, I'll name it DTMF Navigator to keep it all organized. And then select your channel source. I'll increase the rates per hour to 600. Campaign will be on 7 days a week, all day, every day. And under configuration, I'll put in voicemail detection enabled and then false. I found that adding this, the agent performs better. And now before we close this off, we need to create a new batch. So enable auto run batch and then hit save. And then down here, I'll type in the target number for the IVR test agent and press add. You can see it's already pending. The call is initiated and then eventually connects. There you go.
Thank you for calling Big IVR Mega Corporation's IT department. Please pay attention to the following menu, as our options may have changed. Listening to the options. To wait on hold for an hour, press 1. For support, including password resets, enter the ultimate answer to the question of life, the universe, and everything. I've entered the number 42. Waiting for the next instructions. Congratulations. For support with hardware, press 1. For password resets, enter the square of 42. I've entered the number 1764. Waiting for the next instructions. Congratulations. Finally, to reset your password, enter the phrase from the cover of Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy using only numbers. I've entered the number 3668726642. Waiting for the next step. Congratulations, you did it. Thank you. I've successfully reached the password reset line.
Okay, now that you've heard the call, we can learn more about it in depth. So head to Sessions and select the conversation you want to check out. Looks like our agent knows what the ultimate answer to the question of life, universe, and everything is. It answered the square 42. I have no idea what that number is. Successfully picked up on this number as well, and then happily reached the password reset line. I'd say that's a success. And there you have it, your agents navigating the IVR labyrinth with ease. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Build AI agents for every idea.